Heidi-ho, Mr. Wonderful here again. Okay, this is the second video in this 4-video lineup. This is a 1936 shilling. So what happened in 1936? Let me think back. Yeah, I think it was a significant events included the beginning of the Spanish Civil War, the abdication of King Edward of the United Kingdom, and Jesse Owens winning 4 gold medals at the Berlin Olympics, challenging the Nazi racial ideologies. Additionally, the US Baseball Hall of Fame elected its first members, including Babe Ruth and Ty Cobb. T.Y. Cobb. Never heard of him. There you go. So, first of all, we need to punch a hole in it. I'll use my smallest punch, which is 3/8. There's quite a bit of detail on this. I quite like it. I like it. Rule Britannia. Okay. So how's everybody doing? Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire and Joseph. How's everybody doing today? Good? I'm doing fantastic. Right. Yep, here she is, the one, the only, gorgeous as ever, with her pink shawl on. Come on, put your hands together for Big Bertha. She's a darling, isn't she? Doesn't she do something to you? She does something to me. I can't really say what on, you know. Slap on the bottom. If anybody's looking for a custom ring, I'm your man. Right. You can even send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there. I can adjust all the sizes. You can convo me, see what I've got. You can even send me your own coins. Right, first of all, let's deburr it with Christy Burr. And put them somewhere, otherwise I'll end up losing them. Hold on a minute, 1936. I'll have to check, this is silver, isn't it? 50% maybe, or 80%. I'll have to have a look. Yeah, it's got to be silver. Because it's deburring like it's silver. That's nice and easy. And the strands are coming out. Yeah, this is silver. I don't know the percentage. I will put it on in the video. Right. Lucky I thought of that. Otherwise I'd heat this up too much and it would have probably just gone bleh. Right, just a little bit of heat would do. That's not pure silver because there's a bit of copper in it. Because the flame went green. And what a beautiful green it was. Same colour as my eyes. My eyes look like that. That's why I don't show myself on camera. I get the darlings getting too excited. Right. So what we're going to do, it's going to have to be this, isn't it? Sunny side up on the ring. So this is going to go face down. And we've got a smallish one. Yeah, there you go. And ball bearing. I'm going to have Big Red do his business on it. And then we want to find one of these little darlings. This is 17 degree folding die. that's covered in oil. Thanks to Big Bertha. Well, I can start in this one. Bit of looby-loo. I can start in this one. I think that's about good enough. Alright, let's nip over to Big Red again. And give it a bit of the old one too. Don't you spit on me. Now it should fit the other side better. Because if you go straight through, you're going to damage the coin. I don't like going straight through. Come on, baby. Yes. Right. Let's give it a bit of a clean up. Make sure there's no cracks or splits or banana trees growing in there or whatever. I got cruise shipping yesterday. That's pretty damn good, I'd say. Bit for me, bit for you, and a bit for the leggy blonde upstairs. There you go. Right, let us go over to the one and only. This is like Thunderbirds. Spike number 1. He is like a number 1, isn't he? He's just cool, man. It's a cool tool. Hey, a bit of poetry there. It's a cool tool. Right, a bit of kitchen roll. That protects the inside of the coin. Presumably it's going to fit over. Yes, it is. It just protects the text on the inside of the coin. I might have to give this a bit more love with Bernie, I think. I'll give it a few pumps. Yeah, let's warm it up a bit more. Just a tad. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see that green? That's the copper in the coin. Oh, this is probably, I don't know, 50%. I'll have to check it out. I mean, I thought at that age it would have been 80%, but we shall see. Right, let's put it back on again. Give it a few more pumps. Give it a bit of a turn each time. It protects it from getting lopsided. How's that looking? Well, the bow's out of it, but I'd like it a bit bigger. So I think I'll warm it up again. It's a comet. Did I go too much there? Maybe I did. Is it melted? No. Still looking pretty good. Let's go over to Spike again. I want to tip this over the other way because I want to try and make this a bit bigger. But you can't push it, otherwise it's just going to say no, no more. think that's the limit. So let's go back down to the table and we'll quickly deburr the inside lip. My nose is blocked up. Yeah, there's a little bit of a lip in there, not much. If you're not subscribed, why not? Come on, hit that little button bottom right hand corner. Show me some love and affection. Come on. Little red button right hand corner of this video. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Cost you nothing. There's no obligation. And you'll be notified. Well, if you hit the bell icon as well, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Right, and you can see me cock things up and lose things and, you know, generally have a bit of fun. So to be quite honest, it ain't looking too bad. But obviously, we need to straighten the walls up. So we'll go over to the arse end of spike. And we'll find one. Like that one. I think I'll put a bit of Looby-Loo in there, I think. You can't beat a good bit of Looby-Loo. Make sure it's square. It's hip to be square. Who sang that? Huey Lewis in the News, yeah. Huey Lewis. Huey Lewis in the News. One or the other. There you go. Right, let's give it a bit of a hoochie coochie coo with Dave. This just gets the fire scaler, brightens it up a bit. I find if I bounce it on the reeds, it cleans it better. It sort of bounces in between them. So just going, you know. I don't know. That's my silly ideas anyway. Right, let's take out the one that... Oh, she's looking a bit sad now. Yeah, she's I think she was out last night with some of her mates. Alright. There's my polish. Did I put the lid on? Yes, I did. Right, let's put the lid on again, shall we? This should clean up quite nice. You know, you want to bring made for your family member or friend, you can send me the information about them. While I'm making a video, I can talk about them, you know. Makes it personal to them then. Ouch, it's getting a bit warm. It ain't looking too shabby at the moment. It's bloody hot though, right. Yeah, summer here this year just ain't that very good, you know, weather-wise or tourist-wise. Alright, still it's the same in the States, isn't it? Europe. Right, I think this ain't too bad. Let's find a slightly cleaner part of the cloth, like up here. Lovely green, isn't it? This, I love it. Purple's my favourite colour, but this green is stunning. Like, really nice. Right, what we got? £1 shilling. 1936. Got all the detail on the inside. That's why I use the kitchen rug. Where is she? Of course it wouldn't be Elizabeth, would it? Stupid boy. Right, what size we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin because it's the thickest part. This is a size, who wants to focus? This is a size 7, 7.5. I could make it bigger. I could make it smaller. I couldn't make it too big, but I could definitely make it bigger. Fits that finger just fantastic. Thank you all for your support. Thanks to my latest subscribers. And the likes and the chit-chat. And yeah, God willing, I'll see you all on the next video. And tomorrow's video is the 2 shillings. 2 bob. Right, take it easy. Behave yourselves. Bye-bye.